Everyone, it's Reese from Freestand here again. In this next quick video, I'm going to talk about two words that often Microsoft trainers talk about and us as trainers talk about in Microsoft 365 training that sometimes you just think, what are they talking about? Enjoy. Today I'm going to talk about two phrases that I often use in training and it often raises a few questions with people of, Reese, what are you talking about? So ellipsis is the first word I often use, and it's these three dots here. So often you'll hear them called ellipsis or three dots. And actually what it means is give me more options. So if you click on this, it will give you much more options that you can do with this particular item that you're clicking on. This is through the whole of Microsoft's platform. So whether you're on SharePoint, I'll cross SharePoint now, and you can click on a document, it will give you lots of different options here. And if we go into folders, again, it will give you lots of different options for the folders. So that's the first word that I often use and that raises some questions. The second word is waffle. So within Microsoft, there's a thing called a waffle, and this is this up in the corner, the 9 dots. And again, you'll see this consistently through Microsoft. So if you're on the Microsoft homepage, there's your waffle up there. And when you click on it, again, it will give you more options. Within Teams, again, it gives you those same options. Again, within SharePoint, it gives you those options. So there's two quick words that are often used in training. So next time you hear them, at least you'll know what they mean. Take care. Goodbye.